My dad's side is German and my last name is Baumann.
Herzlich willkommen in Christuskirche.
Confused yet? So am I. I'm here to kick off a huge African journey that, if all goes as planned, will look something like this. After just one day of exploring Namibia's capital of Windhoek, I couldn't help but notice the strong influence of Germany.
Do you know we love German products here? Balea, you see?
I find it confusing because we all know that the British, the Spanish, the French, the Dutch, and the Portuguese have conquered the majority of the world. In fact, 38% of all human beings speak at least one of their languages. But the Germans? I haven't yet visited a country that has such a strong German identity until arriving in Namibia. From 1884 to 1915, Germany occupied Namibia, which at the time was called German Southwest Africa. And even though 103 years have passed since the Germans left, their influence remains everywhere. German architecture,
Christuskirche. The cornerstone was laid on the 11th of August, 1907.
German schools,
These are kids from the Delta School, whereby they have German as a first language and German as a second language. Good, danke.
German street names, German cars, German beer.
It's the best beer in the world. Did you know?
In the world?
Just go Google it up.
And I found that out after I drank my first sip. And they're gearing up to host Southern Africa's biggest Oktoberfest. The food. You can find pork knuckle, bratwurst with sauerkraut, and even pork schnitzel. It's all available at Joe's Beer House.
All these collections that you see here, he collected himself. This is the garden, it's the outside area.
This is only a taste of Namibia's unique culture and life, which I'm eager to uncover over the next 9 days with G Adventures. We will be going all over the country, from remote villages to national parks, epic sand dunes, and more. And I can't wait to take you along for the ride. I'm Drubinski, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.